Guys, look at Kayana's new nails. Pakita mo. Ay, sorry. Close up. Go.
Oh, hindi. Dapat siya lang focus. Oh, I can be a hand model.
Oo, pwede. Go. Say, thank you, Pimp My Nails. Tama ba?
Thank you at Pimp My Nails on IG.
Yes.
Check her out, guys.
Carl, say hi.
Kaya say hello. Guess who pinapasok ng school?
Kaya nga eh.
These shoulders are...
Wow, yung totoo nga, pinapasok ka talaga.
Feel ko din naas niya.
Kaya nga.
O, diba? Feel ko gumanyan siya.
Easter.
Oh, the swipe niya na yun.
Guys, look at our school. School tour. Wala, look at that. That's our bridge. This is... Ano to? Diego Silang to, di ba? Hindi. Oo, Diego Silang. Ayun yung Adenair. That's Adenair, you guys. And then, ano yun? Ano yung building na yun? That's Dr. Jose Rizal. That's Rizal. Say hi, Bea.
Connection na yun.
Ako nakapatulog. I-airdrop ko.
Oh my God, like and subscribe. Unsubscribe and record.
Nakita ko yung video mo.
Diba?
Nakita ko yun. Yung nasa hospital siya.
Oo, pinanood mo yun?
Yung nag-ice cream sa hospital.
Mag-ice cream sa hospital. Yun, that's it, you guys.
Bea smile.
Okay, Bea smile.
Okay, we're done. Ayaw na.
Oo ba? Paano ka pinapasok? Paulit-ulit ang natin.
Kaya nga.
Kaya nga legit paano nga eh.
I don't know what
Ako ganun lang ako.
Kaya maganyan lang ako.
Ako din.
Bawal na.
Di, alam mo, ayaw niya. Ito. Ito pwede ah. Kita tayo.
Pero ano, pero... Ay, hindi ko lang. Maintindihan ko pa kung mahaba yung buhok sa takpan.
Kaya nga eh.
Pero short hair na nga siya.
Wait, guys, look at our Christmas tree. May Christmas tree kami here in school. Guys, look at our Christmas tree. Yung ano?
Saan kasi sa IG?
Jewel, say hi to my vlog.
Red!
It's Jewel, you guys. Say hi.
Hi!
Sophia! Show me! Show me. What?
See this? This is my crush.
Guys, that's me. That's me! I had a filter on.
How can I see
Don't believe me.
This is the worst. Guys,
I had a filter on.
she's pretty, right? Pretty.
Compare. Side by side.
Okay, let's side by side.
I will hold it for you.
Sophia, let's side by side.
Parang, hello? Who is she?
I had a filter.
You should vlog like that.
Okay. May human try. Dapat pinafollow mo rin ako ah. Today is our last class of the day. Our teacher is not here, but we are.
Gusto ko yung human John.
Sige nga. Let's go. No. You be my John.
Turn this around.
Tayo kung mamimili na.
Okay, 3. Oh, let's go back to class. Oh, hello, sir.
Our teacher's here.
Okay, and talk. Hello, everyone. This is Sayan and Kayana. Kiss me for the money.
Oh, this is too well.
Oh, how did you do that?
Bro.
Okay, okay.
Subject lost now. May I'm here.
Oh,
No. Bakit hindi niya tayo sinusundan?
Ayun sila guys. So, how do you turn this?
There.
There. That's Dayan.
That's nice.
Pwede ba? Dayan. Hi. Do you see me without my eyebrows on?
Hey, Doc.
Can I say hi?
Oh, don't do that.
So yes, that's them. Guys, magpapaano? Anong gagawin mo?
Eyebrows also and upper.
Kasi magpupunta siya.
I'm getting married.
Where's right now?
Guys, I'm done. I have a big line on my forehead right now. It's Jules' turn.
It's Jules' turn. Kaya na di pa yung tapas.
Go, Jules. I need to put my eyebrows. I don't have eyebrows right now. They removed my eyebrow, everything.
Kaya mahab, ano lang.
Oh, she's so sweet, you guys.
Oh, hell no. That's hello. Zonta.
Love you.
Oh, dagdagan natin yung subscriber.
Thank you po. Unti pa lang naman po doon.
Talaga po. Kaso ako kasi. Medyo nangyayari.
Oo. Parang hindi maganda. Lighting. There. Hi guys, I just got home. Look at my nails. They're so nice. They're so nice. I got it, like polka dots. I got them from Pimp My Nails on Instagram. Wait, and I bought McDonald's. I'm very, very happy because I haven't been eating McDonald's for quite some time now, which is so shocking because I used to eat it like every single day since college started. Here, I'm gonna do McDonald's haul. So this one, I got this for my sister. The crispy chicken sandwich, and then I got 2 extra gravy for my chicken, and then I got regular fries for me, and then wait, I'm curious as to what part of the chicken they got me. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Hirap ang gawin ko. Oh, okay. Look at that. Yeah. And I'm gonna be watching. I'm gonna be watching Bridgerton as I eat it. Bye.
Why is Penelope Bridgerton keeping to the water to begin with?
Penelope Bridgerton is not.
It gives me considerable time to reflect, and what I realise is that there's no need for me to antagonise.
What if we were to stay?
Kasagot na yan.
Kapag ngayon nag-aaral talaga ko.
So, para sa tao. O, di ba wala na akong vlog?
Hi vlog.
Our nails.
Oh, yes.
Hold on.
Look at her nails.
Cut the camera.
Look at her nails.
Bagayan pag to hindi mo finish.
Okay, kwento na natin what happened to me.
Oh, you
Okay
kwento.
guys, let me paint you a picture. Oh, listen to me. Let me paint you a picture. Kanina was our second class of the day. Tapos, I was like, I'm gonna study. Ihab na naman ako magkwento. Come on, guys. So sabi ko, oh, I'm gonna study. I'm gonna get ready for my recit tomorrow. So, okay. Di nagbabasa ako. I had my AirPods on. Tapos kasi pag nag-aaral kasi ako, gusto ko yung malakas. Ganun. Parang wala akong iniisip na iba. Para my mind doesn't wander. Okay, di sige. Kinonect ko. Tapos lumabas kasi ako. So, nag-disconnect siya dun sa phone ko. Listen to me. Tapos nag-disconnect siya. Dun sa phone ko. Tapos pagbalik ko, kinonect ko ulit siya. Tapos diba pag Spotify, may kita mo yung pangalan ng name ng AirPods. Nakalagay, Dayan. Okay. Sabi ko, okay, nakakonect. Binalik ko na sa ears ko. Bakit walang music? Tapos, binalik ko na sa ears ko. Tapos, may nag-represent sa harapan. Tapos yung teacher ko nasa likod. Sige, grade siya. Nag-represent sa harapan. Tapos sabi ko, piling ko gano'n. Tulog.
You can hear the music eh.
Parang walang tunog. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Tapos, chinek ko pa ngayon. Tapos, pagkatingin ko ngayon sa harap, nagulat ako. Sumasayaw yung classmates ko. Tapos, I was like,
like, what is happening? Pagtingin ko nga, the whole class was super shy.
Ano sabi ni ma'am?
Sabi ko, sorry ma'am. Sabi ko, sorry ma'am.
Karel, say hi. Karel, this is the documentary of the wild. Yes, this the lioness and the tiger. Hey guys, we're gonna buy churros. Churros.
First time ko siyang itatry ever.
Really?
Yes.
Oh no, you're missing out on life, bro. Say hi, this is SLU. Guys, look at our school. Oh, I don't wanna go SLU. Bye SLU. We're gonna go home. Pare go shop. Kung pwede lang, tuloy-tuloy na. Open na ba yun?
Yeah.
Is that open? Guys, this we're
hope
walking.
so.
Nakakahiya to ah.
Hindi nga nakakahiya.
Ano sa tingin nila ginagawa natin?
Vlogging.
Ano ba yan? Nakakahiya. Guys,
Ayun na
look
lang.
at our, ano na yan? Parking.
Parking? Yeah. Parking.
It's nice.
What are we gonna do, Dayan?
We're gonna buy churros. Let's go.
Show them the world, bro. Oh, there.
That's our churros, you guys.
Churros time.
Let's go. Ayaw mo magkate tayo ka rin?
Oh, don't do that.
Ayaw mo magkate?
Maghati
You wanna
Tayong
hati?
tatlo. Yeah, 110.
Tayong tatlo.
Ah, sige, 100. Guys, we're gonna buy churros. Tingnan nyo yan. Woo, churros. Okay.
I love.
So we're gonna have this. Saan natin to?
10 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Donors mo pag ilalagay. Oh! I'm super shy.
The way you feel, wanna make you mine.
What copyright? Look at copy. This is the churros place. Nakakahiya naman itong ginagawa. I'm shy.
No, don't be shy. Hi to the vlog, guys.
Nakakahiya ako.
Huwag naman ganun, nakakahiya. Let's say hi to us.
Ito yung ginagawa ng classmates ko kanina habang ako, I was like, anong
Lakas
wala
na
yung,
eh.
wala.
Alam mo, tas di niya mainom.
Oo, ang tagal.
Tagal na eh. Bago
Tapos
niya i-off.
lahat na ngayon ng classmates ko, what is happening?
Imagine mo sa likod.
Alam
Alam mo ba ang funny kasi nasa likod lang si ma'am. Tapos bago niya nga i-post, nag-sorry mo na siya. So like naririnig.
Nag-replay pa rin. Sorry, ma'am. Sabi ko
Kaya sabi lang ni mama. Pero imagine eh.
Nag-sorry pa ako sa harap. Sabi ko sa harap, sorry. Tapos pinost ko. Doon pa naman.
So sa iba kumanik.
Wala.
Hindi lang nag-off yung Bluetooth niya.
Kasi
So
nung
like,
lakas.
ching,
Oh,
gano'n.
like super shy. Ganun niya. So sa phone mo nag-replay.
Sa likod lang nila si ma'am. So like, oh, there's na.
Yung thumbnail ko dyan, gano'n. Super shy.
And this is
Say
the Ate
hi.
Churros. We're advertising the churros shop in front of SLU. Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna click this. Okay. Pero pag bayad nyo may ano na twice. Ano na?
Oh, hell no.
Oh.
Hell no. Oh, hell no.
Ay, ba't tumataas? Okay. What's this? Battery. Oh, I see. Alam mo, tugtog ko dyan, super shy. I'm super shy.
Let's hold it. Let's hold it.
Let's home to. Ay, bakit ang zoom in sa akin?
Passing na yan.
Okay, I'm gonna put it back here. Madumi kaya to? I feel like it is.
No.
But like, that's a cool angle.
Super shy. Super shy. Ayun. Make you mine.
Paano ba yung super shy? Paano ba yung super shy?
Thumbnail.
Wait lang. Hold on.
Tagal.
Oh my God. Let's go. Let's go. Back to our...
Thanks, ate.
Thank you, ate.
Guys, let's go back to Anyong because Kayana is probably crying right now because she misses us.
Let's go back to Anyo.
Yeah.
Annyeong! Annyeonghaseyo!
Anyong.
Come sa amin.
Oh, I will. Let's go.
Let's go, faster!
Faster, bro. Look at that. That's a trap. Petty trap.
Kaya...
Ganun siya upa.
Oh, it's so init.
Oh, guys, we have takoyaki here. Alam, nakakahiya pag talaga I see someone that I know, I'm gonna run.
Okay, bye. Can you give that to us? Pag tumakbo ka. Ha? Sabi niya kasi, she's gonna run. Paano pag madapa siya? Di wala na yung churros. Ay, Curl wisdom. Oh, you don't know that?
Weird ass.
You don't know that?
You're so weird, guys.
Tara, pumasok tayo sa anyo. Dito tayo sa anyo.
Okay.
Dito sa anyo. Marami dito mga buhay.
Sis, baka matapon, sis. Sis, bawal yan.
Ay, Ate, bawal.
Ate, bawal yan, te.
Thank you, girl. Okay. Ayaw mo? We're gonna do a mukbang. Ayaw daw ni Kayana, guys.
Nag-release na sila ng exam schedule. Oo nga.
Kailan daw?
Hindi siya na-move, bro. Ganto. Nilist ko na siya.
Get one churro, bro.
Churro first, bro.
Go! I miss some ice cream on this.
POS, yung tatlong pairs natin. Feb 19 and 20. And then, Feb 21, GSTS lang.
Okay, zoom in, go. Oh, I will flex the ice.
Oh, that's so.
Oh. The best bite ever.
I don't like the churros. Get it na, Dayan.
What? I don't like na. I don't like